Frequent flyer flies, la 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 la. Frequent flyers back.
What's up? You checking out the Frequent Flyer, and this is a 1/14 scale from this company, RLaarlo. I never heard of this company before, but apparently they came out with this new 1/14 scale buggy, and I'm just testing this guy out. It looks a lot like the WL Toys 1/14 scale, but it has this awesome red color. Really like the red color, and the transmitter looks pretty unique. I haven't seen a transmitter that looks like this, with this little red accent on the foam wheel for steering and all. So this guy came with 2 batteries. Let me pop the body cover off of it so you guys can see that. And it's freezing out here, guys, so my hands are pretty cold. So you have to excuse me if my hand is shaking a little. But this is the battery here. Comes with 2 of them. It's a 1800 milliamp hour 2S LiPo. Let me tighten that back up because we're going to run it. And it has this Dean plug on it. I think this is a 580 size, if I'm not mistaken. I'll have it on the screen here if I was mistaken. But we're gonna get this guy running, check it out, see how it runs and all. It does not have oil filled shocks. It just has these friction shocks here. That's one thing that I think it doesn't have that the WL Toys version does have. It has the WL Toys version has oil filled shocks. And so it does have a spot here for some lights if you want to hook up some lights to this guy. And what else? The bottom of it is plastic. So the bottom is plastic, but everything else is metal. It does have metal dog bones and all. It actually had some extra dog bones. It had one extra for the front and one extra for the back. And what else? Oh, the towers, the shock towers here are metal. They're just black, but they are metal. So that's a good thing. It does have metal parts in it and all, mostly metal. And this thing just looks really cool. Check out the wheels with the red accent on them. So let's get this guy up and running. Oh, let me plug the battery in. And I did charge this battery fully. We're not going to run it until the battery dies because that'll make for a long video, I think. But we're going to run it. So let's try to run it. Whoa, this guy Willie. Sheesh. So this thing has some kick. Oh, I didn't know it was going to be this fast. Man, this thing is fast. Check it out, guys. Whoa. Man, I'm liking this thing already. It's fast. Whoa. You need a wheelie bar for this thing. And it's not flipping over, guys. It's really fast, but it's not flipping over. I can tell it wants to flip over because one of the wheels are actually lifting up as it turns. Man, this thing is awesome. Whoa. I think I'm gonna scrape that back spoiler up. Trying to take off fast with this guy. Whoa. Yeah, let me slow down a little. I'm gonna have to ease into the speed. Man, this thing is very responsive. Oh. Sheesh, this is one of my favorites, guys. already, and it's not even brushless. This thing has a brushed motor in it, and it's kicking up wheelies like that. See how quickly it turns? Sheesh, this thing is fast. Oh, don't crash. Oh. Man, this thing is a blast, y'all. I'm definitely going to upgrade this guy. I think I'm going to put some oil-filled shocks on it. I'm going to probably put a brushless motor in there. I don't know. Then again, this motor right here has got some kick to it, man. I might just keep this motor in here. It's lifting up the front wheels with this little, well, the motor is kind of large, rather large. Sheesh. Let's try the brakes. Oh, the brakes are nice. Sheesh. It brakes really nice. Check it out. This thing is awesome. And it hasn't flipped over on me not once with all this speed. Man, one of the fastest cars I got. I do have a smaller WL Toys 1/18 scale, I think it is, and I put a brushless motor in that thing, and it's a speed demon. It might be faster than this, but this thing is up there. This is really fast. Yeah, it's definitely faster than this. But this thing is really fast though. Man. I'm just trying to flip it over now, and it won't flip over. I'm doing all types of slides and turns, and it's just not flipping over. Whoa, almost smacked the wall though. Sheesh. I give up. This guy isn't going to flip over, and that's awesome. This thing is not going to flip over. I'm on the gas all the way, and I'm doing all types of turns. Oh, there we go. Finally got it to flip over, but you guys saw how much it took to get this guy to flip over? Sheesh. Okay, I'm not going to try anymore. I know that I can if I'm going crazy with it, but okay, I'm gonna bring it in, guys. Sheesh, the 1/14 scale buggy from RLaarlo is awesome, guys. I love this thing. I'll have a link in the description so you guys can check this guy out. Man, I like this thing. The RLaarlo 1/14 scale buggy. Looks like it's a copy of the WL Toys 1/14 scale. Man, it's awesome. Thanks for watching.